Uy! Ino mo! Gago ka! Tayo, nagulat ako. So, hello guys, it's Sanjay again and welcome to my gaming channel. So, sa araw na to, tayo ay maglalaro ng Midnight Station. So, tayo maglalaro ng Midnight Station, men. Kasi, wala na. Gusto ko lang maglaro ng mga horror games. So, tara. Ito tayo, men. Sino mag-join sa atin? Join na kayo sa akin! Join na kayo sa akin. Nasaan ba yung kasama ko? Join na kayo sa akin. Join na kayo sa akin. Uy, tatlo kami. Okay, tatlo kami. Yes, sir! So, nandito na tayo, guys. Nandito na tayo sa station natin. Open. Hey, it's your time to clock out, man. Papalitan na natin tong kupal na to. Oy, papalitan ka na namin. Finally, I heard the news. I feel bad for you, lol. I'm sure it will be fine. Just another night shift. Oo nga naman. Whatever, dude. I'm out of here. Please give me the creeps, dudes. What are you talking about? Also, just between us, dude. I got kind of hungry. And might have ate a lot of food at the shops. Ha? Bastos ka ba, Toy? Gusto mo matanggal dito? Always, see you later. Maybe if you're still alive. Wow, parang gusto mo na ako mamatay, ah. Parang may mangyayari talaga sa atin. Uy, di ba kailangan yan? Robux. Wala akong Robux, men. So, tayo na magbabantay dito. Anong jumpscare, everyone? May bayad. Lintek. Ayoko yan. Objective. Go to back and clock. Okay. Punta daw tayo dito. Okay na pala. Objective. Restock the shop, run out of stock. So, saan tayo kukuha? Men, ay, ito pala. Nice one. Okay, may box tayo. Tapos, ilalagay natin sa dito ba? Saan natin ilalagay ito? Nice one. So, yan, maglagay pa tayo ng stock. 7 left pa, men. Dami-dami pa to. Uy, ba tayo malagay? Yan. Okay, kuha ulit tayo. Ayan, puno na dito. Tatlo na lang natitira. Tatlo na lang. Ito na pala. Sa box pala yung kanina. Yan, okay na, tapos na. Tapos na, men. So, anong objective next? Ano ba yan? Ito lang ako, Robux. So, punta ulit tayo dito. Wait lang, ang kalat. Kailangan ba natin maglinis? Ay, di pala yan. Ba yan? Ang kalat, men, oh. Alis ba yan? Ay, may customer tayo, Customer tayo. Anong kukuhain niya? Ayan, may tagabantay tayo, men. Buti lang may kasama tayo. Good evening, madam. Finally. What took so long? You haven't even been waiting very long. Ha? Whatever. Just ring me up already. Karen pala pangalan niya, man. Ganda ng pangalan mo, ah. The total is $5, ma'am. 5.57 pala. Impatient old lady. I'll be calling corporate about this experience. Wise one. May 5.57 na tayo, man. Oy, di pala nagkarap. Cash. Saan natin ilalagay ito? Deposit cash. Yun, nalagay na natin. Grabe, may kotse pala doon, man. Gas station pala tayo dito. Station nga pala itong pinuntahan natin. Sir? Si sir ba yan? Customer ba yan? Ayun, customer na. Customer naman tayo dito. May customer ulit tayo. Good evening, sir. So, ano kayong bibili ni sir, no? Takpa di, sir. Lapitan natin. tangkad, men. Wait lang po. Wait lang po. Oh, good evening, sir. Hey. What? Hey? Huh? Can you like, what? Bring me up this? Yoko nga. I mean, sure, I guess. That will be $7.99. Here we go. Pera. Nice one. May pera ulit tayo, guys. Deposit natin dito. Para may kita tong store natin, men. Ganyan dapat tayo lagi. Mabait tayo sa customer. Laging priority lagi ang customer. So, bawal ulisin itong mga to. Oh, nakuha ba yan? O yan? Hindi pala natatanggal yun. Parang nababahuan yung mga customer natin. Radio turn. So, ano muna natin? Assist the customer. Uy, wait lang. Does the guy in the red shirt around the other work here? Yes, I guess. Ayun kanina. Okay. I'm not sure who you're talking about, man. Oo nga, sino yung tinutukoy mo, ha? Uy, wait lang. Di mapasa. I mean, speaking a different language. The guy in the red shirt that keeps walking around here. Sino? Just forget about it. I don't want you to think too hard. Nice. No need to be rude, ma'am. I just know I'm supposed to be the only working right now. Huh? Only? May kasama ako. Okay, I need $20 worth of gas. Here's 25. Wala. Looks like you need more. Yan, kuha na natin to. Deposit. Nice one. Deposit na natin. Uy, may flashlight. Ay, may bayad yung flashlight. Nakakaumay. Man, this customer today have been ruthless. Sino yung tinutukoy yung may red shirt? Sino yung tinutukoy niyang may red shirt? Hindi ko alam. Sino yung tinutukoy mo, men? Employee of the... Punta muna tayo dito sa likod natin. Baka meron na dito. Sino yung tinutukoy ni ma'am? Sino yung tinutukoy ni ma'am, men? Hey, you. What are you doing on like this? Wait lang, may detective pala doon. Wait lang! May detective. I work here, dude. Like, ba't kasi tayo naalis nakakainis? Well, you know, there's a maniac of the loose, right? Maybe? Yeah, I heard the news. Oo nga pala, nakahan natin yung news, man. You've been warned. We believe the maniac is targeting gas station employees. Wow! Ba't kami? Ang dami namang iba dyan, ah. He's been reported wearing a red shirt and paying terribly ugly. Call the police if you see anything suspicious. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Detective, for your information. Sino yung red hair na yun? Wait lang, sarado muna natin. Nakabahan ako, eh. Just my luck. The maniac is apparently targeting the station employees. Saan hindi tayo, men? Saan hindi tayo target ng killer? Killer ata tayo na. Oo nga, killer nga yan. So, mag-wait pa tayo ng mga customer dito. Uy, kaki! Ito ata yung red t-shirt, diba? What is this guy doing? Ang weird. Talk. What are you doing? You should get going, man. Ano, hindi ka magsasalita? Magsalita ka! Hello, get a move on, pal. Suntukan. Creepy. Grabe, weird niya ganun. Weird ang itsura niya. I'm going to call the cops then. Papahuli na kita. Hehehe, no need for that. Iba pa ng boss. I'll see you again soon. Very soon. Grabe, creepy na ito, men. Patayin ata tayo nito. Nakabahan na ako. Diba ang target niya, sabi ng detective, mga station employees. Mga gas station employees, diba? Grabe naman yun. Sana di na bumalik. The kind of stuff I deal with during the night shift. $7 an hour. It's not worth still with. Grabe, yan lang sinasahod mo, man. Looks like him. Later in the night shift. Okay. So, anong gagawin natin? Objective, grab map and map water. So, ito yung map. Ay, hindi pala to. Ito pala. Yan, sige. Walis tayo. Walis, men. Walis. Ba't ako walis ng walis? Map nga yan. Okay, walis. Map. Linis. Yan. Para hindi madulas mga customer natin, men. Baka, tayo, men. I-rate ng 0. Pag iniwan natin yan dyan, nakakalat. So, anyway, anong sunod nating objective na gagawin ngayon? Ayun na, may customer na ulit. 13 mo. Yun, si sir. Good evening, sir. Ano pong gusto nyo, sir? Meron po kaming, Cobra. May Cobra po kami, may Gatorade ba yan? At, talk to this guy. Hey there. Just this drink, please. Okay. Just wait, please, sir. I'll be $3, sir. 3.50 cents, sir. Tik na yan. Kasi nauhuli yung Paano ba? Deposit na natin ito. Bubulol pa, nakakainis. So yan, may another customer tayo. Another customer. Lago-lago ng ating store. Good evening, sir. Good evening. What do you want? What do you want for the night? Oh, may mili siya ng Wow, I'm surprised this place is even open right now. Nagtataka din ako kung bakit What is that? What is that? Wow, ano yan? Ano yan? Have you heard there is a murder around here? Coming to kill us all. Oh? Us? You mean me? Me lang. Hindi, kami dalawa pala. I think I'll be fine. Know how to defend myself. Good luck. Without here your money. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. I'm out of here. Ingat kayo, sir. May pera na ulit. Deposit. I need to empty the trash cans. Oh, tatapon tayo ng ng basura. Trash bag. Tayo magtatapon. Iwan natin yung store natin nakabukas. Hindi tayo magtatapon. Walang nagpapagas na. Ay, meron pala kanina yung babae. Okay na. Dito pala. Ay, nadulas ako. Nadulas ako, gagi. Balik na tayo. Kasi medyo creepy na sa labas. Men. Sarado mo yan. May bago tayong customer. Hello, good evening, sir. Uy, nakakaganda ng polo ni sir. Naka-polo shirt. Assist customer. How much will these drinks cost? Magkano daw, hi? Let me see. $6, sir. 6.99 cents, sir. Haha, you're funny. Seriously? How much? I'm serious. Di mo ba babayaran, ha? Di mo magbabayad? These prices are outrageous. Here's for $4 lang. Take it or leave it. Grabe ka naman. Huwag ka nang bumalik, ha? Huwag ka nang bumalik. $6 yung dun $6.99 yung benta natin dun, di ba? Grabe, binigay, kuripot. Wow, may customer ulit. May customer ulit tayo, men. Parang ang dilim ng lugar na to, no? Parang bihian, no? Ang puntahan. Uy, saan ka pupunta? Magsisira lang pala. Ano ka bibili, eh? Magsisira lang pala si sir. Tignan nga natin.
Wow, bastos!
Uy, Paulin, uy. Paulin. Oo nga, no, mukhang patay siya, no? Oo, mukhang patay nga siya. Kulubot ang mukha, eh. Ay, bibili pala si Sir. Good evening, sir. Assist the customer. Hey, I was gonna ask you to use your bathroom. As tuloy. But the toilets are disgusting. Can I find a place to go now? Sorry, sir. I'll clean it right now. Okay, maglilinis na ako, sir, ha? Maglinis na ako, ha? Detergent. Kailan ba natin ang map? Hindi pala natin kailangan ng map. Detergent. Clean natin to, men. Clean the toilet. Grabe naman to mga gumagamit na to. Nag-iiwan ng bomba. Ikaw na dyan. Uy! Inom mo! Gago ka! Tayo ng gulat ako. What are you doing? Hindi ko nabasa. Dear man, I'm just here to use the bathroom. Wow, bawal ikaw gumamit. Bawal. Yan, dapat ganyan. Yan, dapat ganyan. Now, leave right now or I'll have to... Wait lang, nawala siya. Where did he go? Nawala nga siya. Wala siya, gagi. Gusto mo na nga yun. Gagi, creepy ng taong yun. Biglang nawawala. So anyway, balik na tayo dito. At binalikan tayo ng kupal na yan, ha. Kupal! Wait. Huy! Ba't ka nandito, ha? Gago. Hello there. I can get a label snack for free. Ulol, bawal. Bawal. Wait lang, lalapitan ko to. Ay, bawal tayo kumalaw. Wait, aren't you the who scared? Wait lang naman. Who scared me while I was cleaning the toilet? No. Kunyari ka pa, ah. May coconut din yun, hawag ako. Yes, you are. Now get out of here before I call 911. You should have come to work today. Didn't you hear the news? Hehe. I'll make you regret. Wait lang. Siya pala yung nagsasalita. Kala ko, ah. Ang bilis mo maglakad. Ang bilis mo maglakad. Creepy ng kupal na yan, ah. Saan siya dumadaan? Wala naman daan. Ay, may daan pala dito. Saan yung bahay ng kupal na yan? What? Ano nangyari? Nangyari, men? Putin natin to, ha? Bawal pala. Yes, ito pala, may banggaan. Banggaan dito, men. Kaya parang tumatalot to dito. May bumangga. Sino to? Ikaw na naman? What the? Did you cause this? Kagagawan mo yan? Ha? Kahit ano sabihin mo, kagagawan mo yan. I told you I will make you regret showing up to work tonight. Now, you're going to be naming next victim. Whoa. Chill ka lang muna. Chill. Puta na! Atay na ka! Pakyo ka! Isa ka paki bitch! Ay, sinardoon ako, gago ka. Gagi, di na nakahinga. Yun ang habol yun. Use the phone to call 911. Nasaan yung phone? Where's the fucking phone? Dito pala. Nasa harap ako na pala. Phone rings. Tagal naman? Tagal naman sumagot. Mamamatay na kami. Mamamatay na kami dito. Hello. This is the police department. How can I help you? Please hurry. There is this creepy guy that chased me inside the gas station. Huliin nyo na yan, please. Are you sure that wasn't just a homeless person? No, killer na nga, diba? Gusto na akong patayin, ha? Gusto na kaming patayin. Gusto mo pa talagang i-confirm sa amin. He also caused a car crash. He is the serial killer from the news. Okay, we have dispatched 2 officers to your location. Whoa, the fuck? Whoa, wala tayo ng kuryente, men. Di ba tayo nakapagbayad sa Meralco? Di ba tayo nakapagbayad sa Meralco, men? Find the fuse. Ito tayo fuse. Looks like the fuse box is tampered with. It must have been that creep. The hide until police arrived. So tayo mag-hide. I could stay here. Yes, dito ka lang dapat. Or is hiding in the... What? Bathroom? Stay or go in. Stay tayo dito. I-stay tayo dito. Gawin tayo katapang, men. Bukas ba yan? Sarado mo yan, sarado mo yan. Sarado mo yan. Kidnap ending. The police arrived at the scene, but it was too late. You didn't hide in a good spot, and you were found and taken by the crew. Nahuli tayo, men! Nahuli tayo nung panot na yun. Yun guys, natapos natin at nakuha natin yung creep ending. May badge tayo, men. So siguro guys, dito ako na tatapusin tong video na to. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Kung nag-enjoy nga kayo, mag-iwan na kayo ng like yan. Mag-subscribe din kayo. So yun lang guys, hanggang sa susunod na video. Bye bye!